Need to report a character on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily report a character on Talkie AI. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Talkie AI. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account from which you want to report. Once you're in this page, search for the character that you want to report and then move into their profile. Once you're in their profile, click on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen. This interface will pop up. Simply click on Report. Choose the reason why you want to report. Once you have selected, you can also include the description at the bottom and also include the image of the evidence. Once you've included all the details, tap on Submit at the bottom of the screen. After that, this character will be reported successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.